Wings of Unity, F-35 Squadron takes flight in the Philippines harbor. In a historic moment, the Philippines welcomes a squadron of cutting-edge F-35 Lightning II fighter jets to its harbor, ushering in a new era of defense capabilities and international cooperation. The arrival of these state-of-the-art aircraft represents a strategic leap forward for the nation, showcasing its commitment to regional security and fostering global partnerships. The F-35, renowned for its stealth capabilities, advanced avionics, and multi-role versatility, is a formidable addition to the Philippines' defense arsenal. Nestled in the harbor, these sleek fighters, with their futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, symbolize the nation's determination to stand strong in the face of evolving security challenges. Dubbed the Harbor Guardians, the F-35 Squadron brings together highly skilled pilots and ground crews who have undergone extensive training to master the intricacies of these advanced aircraft. The collaboration between Filipino and international personnel exemplifies the spirit of unity in addressing shared security concerns. The strategic positioning of the F-35s in the harbor underscores the multifaceted approach the Philippines is taking to enhance its national defense. Beyond their role as air superiority fighters, these aircraft are equipped for ground attacks and reconnaissance, providing the nation with a comprehensive defense capability. The F-35s serve as a versatile force, ready to respond to a spectrum of threats and contribute to maritime security. The Harbor Guardians' arrival aligns with the Philippines' commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the Asia-Pacific region. The F-35's presence in the harbor is not just a show of force, but a proactive measure to deter potential aggressors and safeguard the nation's territorial integrity. The F-35 Lightning II represents a pinnacle of technological innovation, boasting advanced radar systems, sensor fusion capabilities, and precision-guided weaponry. As the sun sets over the harbor, the glow of these high-tech aircraft symbolizes the Philippines' readiness to embrace the future of defense. The Harbor Guardians are more than just machines, they embody a shared commitment to global security. The Philippines, by hosting this squadron of F-35s, stands at the forefront of nations embracing cutting-edge technology and international collaboration to secure a peaceful and stable future. The F-35s in the harbor are not just flying machines, they are the wings of unity, soaring to new heights in defense and diplomacy.